Hello friends and welcome to my channel. The first and the most important thing when one starts the study of literature is the history of that particular literature. So today we start with the history of English literature and covering the period from Old to Middle English, that will be till the year of about 1483. Now I will be highlighting some of the important uh, dates and the years. The first and the most important one will be the King Arthur and the Alfred the Great. These are two very important names in literature, and any student of literature must know about them. Second will be the Macbeth. Macbeth comes in the Shakespeare's play of the same name, and the other will be the Crusades or the Holy Wars and the Norman Conquest. Yes. Second, another thing will be Magna Carta, the Hundred Years' War, and Black Death. All these become important for Chaucer's Canterbury Tales later. For Canterbury Tales are also important. The Bible's first translation into English by Wycliffe, the Peasants' Revolt, the King is Square, and the invention of printing in Europe are another important things. The War of the Roses and the William Caxton's establishment of printing press. This question comes repeatedly in the NET exam, so it is very, very important that you remember this date. So for this video, we will end this here and we'll continue forward from this year on in the next video. By the time, please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.